Can you guess the 15 countries name from their scrambled letters? Let's find out, because in this video I will give you 15 such countries names, and here is the first one. You will have 10 seconds to think and answer. It's Chile. How about this one? Rakat. How would you unscramble it? It's Qatar. Italy. And how would you unscramble this panja? It's Japan. And what about panel? It's Nepal. And how about Nikcha? It's China. And can you unscramble this DIANI? It's India. And what about Bailey? It's a Middle Eastern country, Libya. And what about Tamil? It's Malta. And how about pains? Spain. Can you unscramble this Rhine? It's Niger. And what about this Neki? It's Kenya. And how about Thai? Haiti. Dunas. It's Sudan. And here is the last country that you need to unscramble, Ganto. It's a little difficult one, but the country's name is Tonga. Don't forget to share and like this video.